everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you some DIYs with items my daughter and I found in the dumpsters. We're Dumpster Chicks. Our channel is going to be linked in the description box. And I'm starting with this vase that as you can see has some marks in red and some chipping in the white part, and I don't like the silver in the bottom part. So this is what I did with it. First I painted the top with a white acrylic with a small sponge foam brush to give it some texture. It had some texture but needed more when painting it white. Then when in the limit between the white and the silver part I added masking tape all around, and I spray painted it with this beautiful satin nickel Rust-Oleum spray paint. Then I added again masking tape at more or less at this height, and again on the white part, so I could paint a black line with acrylic. I removed the flower, of course, and I'm going to put on top this ball topiary, I don't know how to call it, that is also from the dumpster. I'm not going to glue it because I'm going to place this in a shelf and it's not going to be moved, and not being at the earth allows me to switch it for other kind of decor for every season. So this was really simple and I like it much more now. Now we found also this beautiful milk jar, and as you can see have a lot of cracks, and it's a pity, but I couldn't, it broke my heart to leave it, and I thought, okay, if I'm going to use it and not touch it again, put it in a shelf, nothing is going to happen. So I decided to use it anyway. So let me show you what I did. I printed this label, this vintage farmhouse style label, on some tissue paper. To print on tissue paper, what you have to do is to adhere the tissue paper to a regular paper or cardstock. I prefer cardstock because it's more sturdy. I used this tape runner, double-sided tape runner. Oops. And one tip is, first of all, place the adhesive on top, then adhere the top part of the tissue paper. Once you have it perfectly aligned and in place, then add the adhesive to the other sides and slowly and very carefully move the paper down to adhere it to it. You can cut some excess if the tissue paper is bigger, and then you feed it into your printer and you get what you are looking for. Next step, cut it around the borders of the image, and some people use Mod Podge. I use regular glue, school glue, Elmer glue, and taking a lot of care, add the glue to the back of the image, starting in the middle, in the center, and going to the sides. Place it on the item and then go over the image again with glue or Mod Podge, and you can see it looks like it's printed on the item. I like how it looks this way, but I also like how it looks with this came inside this container. I removed it initially, but then I thought, okay, I found in the dumpster also this succulent, so I decided to place the foam again upside down because it was broken, I can add some reindeer moss, Spanish moss, but it's not going to be seen. So I'm going to add to place this succulent here, and it's going to be on a shelf. Well, maybe I will need some moss. I'm going to see how it looks, where I'm going to place it. Sorry, I'm out of frame. So this is a very, very simple, quick and easy fix for this beautiful jar. Well, yes, I think I'm going to need to adhere it. Sorry, I'm far from the mic. So it's very easy, simple, and I think it looks beautiful. You will see it better at the end of the video. And the last item I have for you today is we found in the dumpster also a lot of this hand wash containers. And as I use my hand wash in a mason jar, farmhouse style, I just poured this content into that mason jar. I ended up with a beautiful container that I thought, this looks great to be used as a base. So this is what I did. I removed the labels. It's easy to do. Oh, sorry. Requires a little bit of patience. Sorry for the noise. I did the same in the back, but now I just want to, and of course I removed the pump also. So I applied some masking tape, and then with again a round foam brush. Oop, it's separated. Okay, let's pretend it's okay. I use gray paint and I sponge all this area, and I did the same on the other side. And this is what I got. As you can see, it's really beautiful, really easy to make. I added this washi tape from Dollar Tree, where the gray meets the white part, and then using this Dollar Tree spackling, I cover the part where the pump is screwed. Sorry. And this looks really, really beautiful, really elegant, and nobody can imagine it is plastic. And in the end, I'm going to show you how I decorated it. Okay, now they are completely finished. I added finally the reindeer moss to the milk jar. Hope you like this, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.